Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe and join the family. So today I thought I would just share with you guys another what is in my purse video because I recently got a new purse and I'm so excited to show you guys. I think it is the cutest bag of all time and it's so perfect for summer. So let me just show you guys what it is and what it looks like. So I just got this long strapped over the shoulder Kate Spade bag and I love that it's like this super cute blush pink color, and yes, I did wear this shirt so I could coordinate with it. It just says Kate Spade. It's a relatively small bag, which I like. I don't like to carry around huge purses because then I'll just stuff it with random things. So I think this is like the perfect like mini size, and yeah, they do have this in other sizes as well. And it comes with a really nice long strap and you can adjust it, of course. So yeah, hopefully you guys like it, and let's just get into what is inside my purse. So the first thing that I have in here that I can find is just a little lens cleaner cloth kind of thing, because I do wear glasses when I'm driving, so I like to keep this in here because I hate when my glasses are smudgy and like have fingerprints all over them. This is really great. And then the next thing I have in here is a few dollar bills. I don't know why these aren't in my wallet, but I like to have a couple of just like dollar bills in case I need to pay for parking or I need to pay for something in cash like that requires dollars. I don't know. I like to keep that in there though. And the next thing, of course, is my keys and my wallet. This is just like a must because obviously if I'm leaving somewhere and I'm taking my purse, I always need to have my wallet and my keys with me. So that's just like an essential. Another thing that's really random in here, I don't know why this is in here. I have my Apple Watch. I think I was wearing it one day and then I took it off. But this is just, I have the Series 3 Apple Watch with the white band and it's like the silver one. So yeah, I love it. I use this all the time. Seriously amazing. And the next thing I have in here is a contact case, just because I sometimes do wear colored contacts and when I do, sometimes they can get uncomfy. So I like to always have a little contact case in case I want to take them out. But yeah, this is just a red and white one, super cute and simple. And then of course we need to have a mask in our purse because you should be wearing a mask everywhere you go. So I like to always just have an extra one in my bag in case I forgot to bring one out with me. I always have one. And another tip is to always keep a few in your car. I like to keep them in my glove compartment in case I have people in my car who like forgot their mask and they can just use one of those. So yeah, I love to keep this one in here and it's just white. Another thing is I like to keep some of these little alcohol prep pads, and these are amazing for wiping down your phone or wiping down your keys, your wallet, anything, like even your purse. These are amazing because your phone can get super dirty if you don't clean it, and using this will just kill all the germs. So I always like to keep these in here. It's perfect for other people as well, or if you get a little paper cut, it's great for that. Another thing I have is a little clip. So I like to just have a little clip for my hair, I don't know. And I also have a few lip products. So I have an EOS lip balm for when my lips get chapped. I love this one. And I have a Rimmel London lip liner in the shade Rose Quartz. It's just what it looks like. I love lip liners, so I like to keep one in here. And then I also have a lip gloss in here, which, do you guys remember these ones? These are the Bath & Body Works Mentha lip tints. And I remember in elementary school, I used to have like 100 of these all the time. Like that was just like such a trend. And yeah, I really like it though. Another thing I have is just a pen for when I need to like sign something after my credit card or something. I like to always keep this in here, or when I just need to write something down. It's really handy. I have my lash glue. Lash glue is so important because I always wear lashes and I hate when I'm out in public and my lash is halfway off and I don't have glue with me. So I love to keep this in there. And I also have a hair tie, just for, you know, a hair tie. And then I have a scrunchie because, you know, you can just never have too many options when it comes to hair accessories. So I like to keep a white one in there just so it'll match whatever I'm wearing. Is that kind of ridiculous? I don't know, but I like to keep a white one in there or a black one in there. Another thing I like to keep in my purse is just some powder and a little brush. So this is just the Morphe translucent bacon set powder, and this is just a little e.l.f. mini brush, and I like this in here because I tend to have really oily skin and I feel like after like 4 hours my skin will just be so greasy. So I like to just keep this in here to freshen up a bit in the bathroom and mattify my face. And then another thing I like to keep in my bag is just a pair of tweezers. Tweezers are awesome so that I can use this for my lashes. I can also use this if I have like a splinter or something. So I just like to keep tweezers in my bag. I don't know, I feel like that's kind of random, but I do. And then the last thing that I have in my bag, which is so random, is just this little necklace. I think I had it on and I took it off because it was just annoying me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just like a little layered necklace. This is from Forever 21. I think it's so cute. I still don't know if I like silver jewelry or gold jewelry on me. I don't know. I think I like gold jewelry, but yeah, I have that in there. So yeah, I think that was pretty much everything in my bag. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I post videos 3 to 4 times a week. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!